Friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I, Himanshu Sampath, consumer colleague. Again, I am bringing you a new review of 7 innovative products available in Amazon India. I would like to share you something before starting the review that lot of things are not available that way in our local markets. Like I live in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, but I hardly can have access to such innovative gadgets or products without Amazon. So Amazon has made it possible for us in a corner of the world to get those kind of products which make our life comfortable and easy. And if you have money and if you cannot use it to make your life comfortable and easy, what is the use of that money? So these products, they constantly work to make your life easy, and a lot of people are doing a lot of innovations and bringing a lot of innovative products to make your life more easy and more comfortable. I've ranked these products from 7th to 1st. So let us see these 7 innovative products available in Amazon India. I'll start with the 7th number product that I have ranked at 7th number. So at 7th number, according to me, is this Otrivin Breathe Clean. This is a nasal cleaner. You can very well open it. You can very well spray it in your nasals, both the nasals, and it claims that it will clean your nasals. As we know, we clean and we wash our body, but our nasals, they take a lot of pollution from environment, and this product helps us in cleaning that nasals. Let us see in detail how it is available in Amazon and what are its specifications. This is how it looks on Amazon. Otrivin Breath Clean Daily Nasal Wash. My God, I never had thought that I would have something for nasals also. But yes, the world is changing and now you have this new nasal wash. I don't know what else you will be available in future. Wash this, wash that. But right now we have this unique product priced at rupees 297, and let us see if it is returnable or non-returnable. And again, it's a non-returnable product, so be careful while ordering this Otrivin nasal wash. The main features are also described here, which you can see. It's a saline nasal wash, 100 ml. So it is also having glycerin for moisturizing effect, washes away excess mucus, dust and pollen from your nostrils. It moisturizes naturally because of the glycerin. So this product is available in Amazon, guys. Do tell me what you think about this product. Guys, now I think you are very much excited to know which is the number 6 product. The sixth product, right, at number 6 is, I am opening it for you. Keep your excitement intact. This is a water storage bottle, you can tell, or you can tell a bag. This material, right, has a wide opening, so maybe you can store cereals or such things also. This has a capacity of 10 liters. I find it very innovative because you can carry your own clean water everywhere, up to 10 liters, which you can use for drinking, washing or all other purpose. You have your own water with you wherever you go. So let us see how it is there available in Amazon. This is how it looks on Amazon. Saiga 10 liters portable collapsible water storage, tank water container, water carrier, whatever you call. It takes 10 liters of water with you, as you can see. And the special features of this water carrier is also mentioned here, and I would like to mention some of the special things, but let us see the price first. It is 249 as visible on the screen. So at rupees 249, this is a reasonable thing. 10-liter water carriage, plus we see if it is a returnable or a non-returnable product. As you can see here, it's a returnable product. So it's a 7 days returnable product. So maybe if you're not happy with it, you can return this product and get your money back. The special feature of this product, as mentioned in Amazon, is this is a collapsible bag, lightweight,
and you can carry cereals, rice, etc. also because of its wide leak proof opening. Plus, this is a food grade PE material, so good for your drinking water also. I will show you some of the snapshots as you can see in Amazon. Like you can see, different colors are also available in this, but I would prefer this transparent to see the cleanliness of the water. But if you want, then you can have different colors also. So guys, do tell me how you feel about this product in your comments.
So, guys, this is the 10-liter water storage. I filled it while you were looking at Amazon. So now you can see it's very heavy, but it fills a lot of water for you. Now we'll keep it aside and take you further in this journey where we will be reaching to number 5 product. So the number 5 product in the most innovative products available in Amazon India is the telescopic stool. The name itself is scientific. I will open it for you. This is a retractable stool. Now you can see it's very portable. You can carry, there is a belt to carry. You can carry it anywhere if you want. Plus, these are the 2 points. You have to stretch them like this, and you have a product ready for you. I'd like to show you again. I can set it, and it claims 130 kg of capacity. It seems very strong. Now we would see how it looks in Amazon and what are its specifications.
So here's how it looks in Amazon: 47 centimeter height, retractable, and 25 centimeter width. So this is AK Tenzon foldable height adjusting stool, telescopic stool. I would like to draw your attention to the price. The price is 699, which seems very reasonable for a sitting thing. And now we see if it is returnable or not. This product is only 7 days replacement. So be careful while ordering. This is only replacement, no returnable product. Again, guys, I would like to tell you the price is varying as per the seller. Like you can see 729, 899, and most of the products, my experience is the products are from China and sold by different sellers at different prices, but more or less they are the same product. However, your experience may differ in this. So, guys, the special features is this is very strong. Many claim 130, many sellers claim it. This seller is claiming 150 kg. Plus, this is an anti-slip and a very strong material, which you can see. Just you have to fold, unfold, and you can carry it anywhere. And this is, you can sit anywhere with this material. Tell me about this product, guys. How do you feel about it? Comment about this product and let everyone know what you feel about this.
So now you saw this, it's very useful. You can carry yourself specifically in the long queues that you find in India, queue everywhere. You can just take this with you and sit in the queue. Now we come to the number 5 product. This is an innovative face wash. Yes, you may tell what is innovative in face wash, but this is a face wash without water. Yes, you heard it right. This face wash, you can use it without water anywhere. I just spray, I just rub it, and I just wipe it, and my face is clean. I feel fresh. So, this product is available in Amazon. We will see again how it looks in Amazon with its specifications.
This is how it looks on Amazon Urban Guru waterless face wash. And this face wash is very handy because you may or you may not get water everywhere. You just have to carry this face wash. And guys, this is a non-returnable product, so you will have to be careful while ordering this. Also, the price, you can see the price is rupees 348. So this is a unique product available at 348. Do tell me how you feel about this product in your comments.
Now, with a clean face, we would be moving forward towards a clean air. Yes. Now, at number 3, we have this Batista Instant Air Refresher. This is a air shampoo, dry air shampoo without water, and this is a UK based product available in India through Amazon. So you have to take this again, like you have to spray and you have to rub and you have to wipe it out. So you will have a clean hair. So this product we will again see in Amazon India.
This is how it looks on Amazon Batista dry shampoo. You can see it's an Amazon choice product also. And this is a dry shampoo. You don't need water, you just need to spray on your hair, and then you will not be yellow dirty fellow, but you will be a clean guy. So this costs around rupees 324. Let us see if it is returnable or non-returnable. And as expected, this is a non-returnable product. So be careful while ordering this. It's a UK based product. It has got a scent of fresh citrus. Guys, be careful while ordering this. It's a non-returnable, but once it's worth trying. And do tell me how you feel about this product in comments.
Clean face and clean air. We are all excited towards moving product number 2, the most innovative number product 2 in Amazon India. So this is a stationary item with multiple functions. So you don't have to carry a stapler or pin remover or a cutter, etc., etc. All is available in this one thing. So you see, if I push, this becomes a stapler. If I remove, here there is a cutter, and of course here if I push like this, the scissor comes out, and I have to do like this to cut anything with the scissor. There is a sharpener here, there is a pen stand, and of course there is a pin remover, and of course there is also a measure tape to measure things, and lot of innovative thing. This everything is there in this one little thing. So let us see how it looks in Amazon.
This is how it looks on Amazon 10 in 1 combo. In your office, if you have scissors, measuring tape, this, that, everything cluttered around, this is a product for you. In one product, you get everything. As you can see, there is a measure tape, there are scissors, there is a stapler, there is a pin remover, there is a sharpener, there is a cutter, and what not. Guys, this product costs around rupees 699. Again, the same story. Sellers may be different. The description, the pitch, the marketing is different. The product remains the same. You pay for your marketing, whichever description you like, you pay 200, 300 here or there. So it is made in China everywhere, and the sellers are different. So the price may differ again, but then again, it's my experience, your experiences may differ. And guys, let us see if it's a returnable or a non-returnable product. It is only 7-day replacement product, but however, this is a very innovative product. As you can see, the 10 functions are done in this. So this is also the designer product, where you have stapler, scissor, carton opener, staple pin remover, 1 meter retractable measure tape, pencil sharpener, paper punch, key ring, storage basket, and waste bin. So guys, this is the product. As you can see how the product prices differ here. You can see one seller is 749, other is 699, and these are more pics of the same product. And here you can see it's multi functions. So this is a product which you can give a try, and do tell me what you feel about this product.
So guys, excited? Now we are coming to the number one innovative product. Why I ranked this product number one is because I was just excited to know about this product, as I always prefer to have a warm cooked food than processed food. So I was too excited to know about this Insta Hot product. This is a food heater, and all you have to do is just pour water in this, and it becomes warm up to 45 degrees or more. So I'm just unpacking in front of you, and here we get pouch, five pouches in one packet. We are getting around five pouches in one packet. So these are all five pouches. Plus, you are getting a paper cup and dish, and of course spoons. So everything is covered here. There is plastic bags to cook food. So everything is covered here. You just have to pour water and cook your food. Let us see in Amazon. We'll
Number one position, we have a hot baby. No, guys, some people like hot baby, but I like hot warm food, not processed packaged food. And so, people like me, this is a good life saving product. Insta Hot flameless food heater. You rightly heard that. It's a flameless product. You just have to add water in the pouch, 70 ml water, and this product heats up to 45 degrees in just 10 minutes. You can cook pawa, you can cook your foods, you can have your tea, warm tea, you can make anything you want with this. So this is priced at rupees 325 on Amazon, and the best thing is it's a returnable product. So it's a 7 days returnable product. So if you don't like, and if you see, you can just return it out and you can get your money back. Guys, the features are also mentioned here, how this thing works. So you can go through this. You have to tear the pouch, you have to pour the water 70 ml, you have to put the food on the pouch or on the plates they have given, and you can cook it in just 10 minutes. So guys, they have a merchant video also, which I'm not displaying because it will become a copyright problem, copyright claim. So guys, you can just go through the video also on Amazon. Here it is, maximum temperature 45 degrees in 10 minutes. So, and what they tell about their product in three words, describe your products in three words, it is flameless food heater. So Amazon has also put this on innovative product list. Do order this, guys. I have ordered two of them. You also order this, guys, and tell me what do you feel about this innovative product.
excited. I was so much excited to know about this product and share it with you. I hope you are also excited in knowing them. Keep me inspired by liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. And of course, these are no innovative products, these are my own personal innovations, my kids, right? So, guys, help me out again in commenting and telling how you felt about this product, and if at all you happen to buy it and use it, please share your experiences for benefit of others. Happy buying, happy purchasing, happy shopping. Let us meet next time with better review. Let us make our world better and sound decisions while purchasing the products. Thank you once again for being with me.